Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. It's your girl Tamika. Hi. But I'm going to give you my 2-month update. All right. I'm so happy. This is another video on the Wegovy. So I've been saying it wrong these whole 2 months. I've been saying Wegovy when it's Wegovy. Wegovy. So for those who are new to the channel, honey, I do Wegovy. All right. Every Sunday I post a video, and then during midweek after I complete a month, I will give you a full update. I already did a full month update. You can check that out. You can also check out my playlist. So with Wegovy, this is a prescription medication. It's actually a pencil type needle on the inside, and you inject your body once a week. Month the milligrams go up. I started off with a 0.25 in the first month, and then the second month it was a 0.5. Now that I'm in my third month, I am at 1 whole milligram. Just a disclaimer that I am not a dietitian at all, honey. I am not experienced or certified or anything. All right. So this is free will. I am just sharing my experience. This really has helped me connect with other people, other women who are going through Wegovy. I honestly did not believe that I would get this many subscribers or viewers on my channel as far as like with this weight loss, because usually weight loss does not take off like this the way it did. But, well, tip one is don't have your expectations so high that you're going to lose a bunch of weight. Tip two is do not go into this thinking that you can eat the same portions as you were doing prior to Wegovy. That you cannot do. And if you do that, then you're going to feel like the Wegovy is not working, when really you are not adhering to your hunger signals and your hunger pains, and you feeling full. Tip three is you want to go into this with a high protein diet. I don't care if you do low carb or you don't do low carb. Increase your protein and lower the amount of carbs, not keto net carbs, but low carb, meaning like 80 to 100 grams. And then make sure your protein is higher than that. All right. And then make sure your fat is low. All right. So again, you're not doing keto, because keto is high fat, moderate carb. High fat, moderate protein, and a little bit of carb, less than 20 to 25 net grams of carb. All right. So those are like my 3 tips as far as like the second month, which is week 5 through 8. And I just completed 8 on April 2nd. So for one thing, again, what milligram was that? A 0.5? It was a 0.5. I'll have the picture up here. So it's a 0.5 milligrams. So the box color is going to be different. I guess that's really exciting there. My appetite was still suppressed. I still felt nauseous, if I have not mentioned that already, because this is like my 4th time recording this video. But I still felt nauseous, but especially around the first day of injection. On Monday mornings is when I would take the injection, and I would feel nauseous. And what I would do is drink water and just go walk. All right. Again, I still worked out, and that would be tip 5 is please make sure you work out. I don't care if all you do is walk. All right. Do not rely on Wegovy to do all the work, because once you're off, then what are you going to do? As far as what I've heard and researched when I was looking at a YouTuber, and I will talk more about that this Sunday, she mentioned that the medicine can last in your body for like a month or 2 after you stop. But then after that, your appetite is going to come back, and you have to be able to control that. So if all you're doing is relying on this injection, then really you have not learned a healthy eating pattern that can sustain you for a lifestyle, because this is not a lifestyle. Not at all whatsoever. Okay. So work out. Okay. You can lift weights, do yoga, do whatever type of workout you want to do, as long as you are burning calories. And we all know, and if you do not know, calories in versus calories out. As long as you are burning more than what you eat, you're going to lose weight regardless if you are on Wegovy low carb, Mediterranean, keto, whatever. Yes, the weight loss is coming. I lose, a pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds. I was good this month. What I will say is for week 8, I did not lose any pounds. So I was okay. So I was, a bit happy about that. That even though the end of my second month, I did not lose weight. But girl, like I saw a big difference. People started noticing changes in my body. And I also, made it known to a lot of family and friends, especially on my Facebook and my TikTok, which is She Is Tamika. I did let people know that, hey, I was taking Wegovy because nobody really knew, only but y'all knew. Family and friends did not know. And then when they saw that, they, oh, okay. And then they see me and the changes and how my body looks. And even though I am, just starting my month, I'm starting my third month, I'm still in a size 12, but the jeans fit loose. See that I'm, losing more inches than I am pounds. So my total pounds lost on Wegovy, okay, is this. I'm gonna put the number right there. But I know I lost a lot of inches because my clothes feel different. I feel different. I can see it, my clavicle, my face, I'm not as fluffy. Again, here's the before and what I look like. And then now, like, girl, yes, I feel good. I feel good. So those really were the only side effects. And another side effect that I want to say is, I think I'm on tip 6. You may not have a period. All right. So I have not seen my period since February, which was maybe February 16th is the last time I seen my period. And here we are, April 4th. So if you notice that change right there, just know that it's Wegovy because it can mess with your menstrual cycle. So just be aware of that. But those really are the only changes that I have had. Um, I am able to eat bacon. Yes, I will say I've been kind of sneaking eating that, full fat bacon, but I did buy some turkey bacon. I did a post on my community tab of what I bought at Sam's for this week. So yeah, your girl has been doing good. All right. If you want to see videos like far as like me cooking, because I have to start cooking more healthier meals and tasty meals for my family, whatnot, make sure you are subscribed to the channel because, and let me know if you want to see those type of videos because girl, I'm not going to be on Wegovy for long. So I want you to stick around. So you got to let me know what else that you want. What do you want to see? Because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Honey, I can't wait to be monetized. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. So I need you to share this video and like it and help your girl out and tell a friend to tell a friend about your friend over here. All right. So, but yeah, overall, like I am really, truly excited. And again, everybody's experience is going to be different. However, I have met a big community of Wegovy friends, and I am just so happy and thankful that you are subscribing to my channel. You are commenting, and then some of you guys are repeating. Like y'all keep coming and showing up for me, and I am just so happy and grateful that I have been able to share my experience with you, and that we have been able to create like a little dialogue in the comment section. So I'm so forever grateful and thankful to you guys, and I'm just so excited and so happy to be sharing this experience with you guys. All right. So again, I do apologize for messing up my weeks. This is my third month. I can say as the last tip, it gets better. Okay. Gobi. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.